so it lights up. Drawers, some drawers. There are two exclusive mini minis, one ice scoop and one fridge magnet. Ta-da! So it opens. Oh, there's a light already. There are 1, 2, 3. One of the drawers, some instruction manual for the jelly thing. Can do that together. Epic fail. Here. Ta-da! Then ice scooper. Rev magnet. So tiny. Okay, so right there, I'm just gonna leave it here for 25 minutes.